Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix failed to create GitHub repository in Google AI Studio and authentication fail. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues that you are unable to connect your GitHub with your account, so guys, you just follow this video. First of all guys, you simply click and make sure that first of all, you make sure that you are completely logged in your GitHub. Not through the Google AI Studio, you just open your GitHub and properly logged in. If you are using the two-factor authentication, so you allowed it, and make sure that you can access your repository perfectly. If you find any issues like that, you are unable to access this, you are not working, you don't have the permissions, so make sure that you are allowed everything and properly logged in. Here you go for your profile and check that you can able to see all your repository. Okay, here you see the repositories. Okay, after finding all of them that you are perfectly working, then guys you move to the another step, which is you go for your Google Studio AI Studio. Okay, when you create your application, that you can check that your application is properly working first. Okay, because sometimes there is an error with the application that creating the issue. Then you go for this share. In the share, make sure that you are using the same account that you use on the Google Cloud and your GitHub. After that guys, go for the GitHub and simply connect it. So this is the first thing that you can make sure. First thing is that you are pre-logged in your GitHub. After that you can check and try if possible that both of your account is same. Means your GitHub email ID and your Google Studio AI ID is same. Okay. Second thing is guys, you check both of your application server. Sometime the server are also creating the issue. So if you use the Google Studio AIO, so here simply search the status. So maybe due to some status error creating these issues. Okay, so you simply go here and check the station. If at that during when you are connected with the GitHub it shows the full outage, so it's mean there is an error in your backend side, not from your side. So you just wait and it automatically go up. Okay, after that guys, when you check the server both of your app, now you move to the another step, which is you try to clear the cache. Sometimes the cache is also creating the issue. For cache clearing, simply go for the option of settings. Not the settings guys, go for the option of history. In the history, go for open history page, and guys go for the option of delete browsing data. Here you choose the cookies and caches and just delete from the device. Okay, also you choose the day, different days. So these are the things is very important when you are connecting. Another thing is guys, you make sure instead of using the emulator, you try to code it when you select the code and then you try to connect it. Okay, so these are the things that you can done. And guys, thank you and have a nice day. And guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations, and I hope this video is very helpful for you.